A normal lens, also known as standard lens, that produce perspective similar to a human eye. A wide-angle lens has a focal length of 35 mm or shorter, which give you a wide field of view. A camera macro lens designed for taking close-up photo with high magnification and image quality. A telephoto lens is a long focus lens that used to capture a distant subject in photography. Zoom lens create focus image through a wide range of distant frame once photographic subject.